A Chinese envoy on Thursday called on the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights to investigate U.S. infringement on human rights and release relevant reports.
各国人权事业必须从本国实际和人民需要出发。一国人权好不好，只有本国人民最有发言权。中方不接受人权教师爷，反对人权政治化和双重标准。
He also urged the United States and a few other countries to face up to and address their own poor human rights records.
今天，美国、欧盟、日本等少数国家在发言中无视自身在人权问题上的斑斑历届，却对发展中国家指手画脚、挑起对抗，再次暴露他们借人权问题干涉别国内政的政治图谋。他们如此虚伪和双重标准，是国际人权合作最大的迫害者。